Okay, so we are now at level 2 of the local SEO with Staxio course. This is the second level in this first series of 6 modules, 6 levels. We are now at level number 2, and at this level, we're going to add our business keywords. So the business we're working with is a Greek restaurant, and this is the maps URL. And for adding keywords into Staxio, we're going to go here on to the keywords field, and I have prepared a list of keywords, and because this is a Greek restaurant, I'm going to be adding 4 keywords about this Greek restaurant in Lisbon, Greek bistro. Oops, there's a typo here. And Cafe Geek Bistro, which I think is the name of the restaurant. And that's it for this this level. Is we have 2 pieces of information. One is the Google Maps URL, and the second one is a list of keywords, and that's it. I'm going to hit the build button. So I'm going to open my Google Drive, and I'm going to open the spreadsheet here. And we have the same information as the previous spreadsheet we created on level 1, with the exception of these 4 additional keywords that have been added to our spreadsheet. Let's take a look at them. I'm going to ask you to pay close attention to these 4 links here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Now, these 4 links might look the same, but they're not. If you take a closer look at the latitude coordinate, you can see that they're all different. And what is the latitude coordinate? The latitude coordinate on the link is this number here. And on the first link, the latitude coordinate has this value, which on the second link has a different value. And this value, this number, this latitude coordinate number is different on all 4 of these links. Now, the question you might be asking yourself, and it's a valid question, is why are we doing this? Why are we even doing this? So technically, what are we doing? We are telling Google that our business is not only located on the latitude and longitude coordinates that we registered our business with, but is also located on these different locations that we have created with these links. And this is the first automated strategy that Staxio is creating for us. It's creating different links on different locations for the same business. And it's also associating those locations with different keywords. And the next logical question that might pop in your head could be which number is being used to increase the latitude coordinate on these links. And to answer that question, we go into Staxio, and this here is the number that's being used to increase the latitude on those map URL links, which can be randomized, which you can configure a different number, smaller or bigger. And this is something that we will be taking a look at on the next module. So what we are doing when we add keywords into our builds is that we are associating our business through those keywords and to different locations on Google Maps as well. So we're doing two things: associating keywords and adding more locations associated to our business. These are the key takeaways from level 2 of our Local SEO with Staxio series. Let's move on to the next level.